Hello, it's Tommy Stewart, and today I'm talking about Sqribble, which instantly creates amazing ebooks and reports in just minutes without writing a single word. I found that hard to believe, actually, a single word, but that's what they say. It's available now anyway to buy, and it's $47, and it's instantly available, like I say. And there is one thing I must add here, that if you're buying this, A, to use it, and B, to sell it on, you make 75% of everything, all the way through, including all the OTOs. So stay with me to the end, and I'll tell you about them as well. So they say that after about 12 months of development and a 6-figure budget, their elite team worked non-stop round the clock. They finally cracked the code to creating stunning ebooks and that look $1 million. Well, that's debatable, but from what I've seen, they do look good. Thanks to our unique technology, never again will our customers have to spend hours or thousands of dollars outsourcing an ebook creation, content and design to expensive freelancers, because they are now able to do it themselves from a simple push of a button. Ebooks you can make, reports you can make, white papers you can make, guides, info products and manuals. This is a sample of the quality of what you can actually make, and I must admit, they do look very good. Incredible Sqribble benefits. Easy to use, stunning designs, 60-second creation, instant content, commercial license. You have a license free of charge to use this commercially, and agency website. Sqribble is the only ebook creator you will ever need. Sqribble has just removed the 3 biggest headaches to creating ebooks. 1, writing, 2, designing, and 3, having to format. Now you can instantly create stunning ebooks in 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a template. There you are, there's a sample of the templates. Step 2, you don't have to create content, just enter a URL and watch Sqribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content. And 3, pick a colour, theme and customize. Then add or delete or edit pages, headlines, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons and links, features, bullet lists and or call to action areas. The fastest and easiest all-in-one solution for jaw-dropping ebooks on demand. Does look impressive. Incredible features that are built in. All-in-one Sqribble software, 50 unique ebook templates, 15 portable niche categories, automatic content engine, automatic table of contents, automatic headers and footers, automatic page numbering, drag and drop design, add unlimited pages, add your own media, fully customized ebooks, 300 plus Google fonts, 1000 plus stock library, sell designs for profit. Well, obviously, that's a good thing that with this, you can make a lot of money selling the ideas to other people and do their books for them. Oh, and by the way, if you have a look on Amazon, you will see loads of guys making a lot of money selling books, ebooks. This will do it for you. client management dashboard, one-click feedback engine, free commercial license, which I've mentioned already, and a free agency website. Well, they're giving you 2 bonuses, and this is one bonus here, 10 additional Sqribble templates worth $195, and another one, exclusive bonus number 2, ebook profit formula worth $47. I would like to add here that I have contributed 5 more bonuses, which you will be able to review if you look to the bottom of the page, at the very bottom on your left, I think. You might see a link there, which is my link to the bonuses. You can have a look at the bonuses. These are the OTOs. One front-end Sqribble software, $47. That's the basic price. The OTO 1 is $97. Professional. OTO 2, $47. OTO 3, $77. And OTO 4, $197. They apparently, with over 10 years of experience, constructed numerous successful 7-figure launches. We have a proven formula to maximize conversions on all your traffic. You'll be able to collect automatic commissions by promoting Sqribble today. By the way, you will remember I have told you that on all of this you make a 75% profit right the way through, including all the OTOs. And that's it, folks. That's it. All you will ever need to create your own books, your own ebooks, that is, brochures, reports, and in the process, save yourself a small fortune. The creators of this software are giving away 2 bonuses, like I've just shown you, when you buy, and I've added 5 more for good measure. If you check below, you will see a link. Click on it to see the bonuses, and I'd be so grateful if you would click on the subscribe button. And if you want any lessons on the internet, how to work within the internet, how to work as an affiliate, there's a link there. Click on it, it will take you there. There's no charge. It's free of charge. Thank you very much. Best of luck to you. Bye bye.